This is my KTM 200. It is just under 270 hours and it is in need of a top end and hopefully not a bottom end. I got my tools all ready to go, and I think the first step is going to be removing the bash plate. Now when draining the radiator coolant, make sure this is open or just completely off. Now I put a bucket upside down with this bucket on top so I can have little to no leakage or spilling when I drain the radiator fluid. My little trick is to use a little bit of paracord, wrap it around here, then pull and give it a tug. Seems to do the trick. Next I'm going to go remove this bolt, and then I'm going to go and remove that bolt holding the exhaust pipe on. There we go. Now on to the next one. Now after I remove this, the exhaust pipe should come out. Here's the exhaust pipe coming off. Give it a wiggle. There we go. Here's what inside the exhaust port looks like. Yeah, I think those are the two rings on the piston. Here's a better look inside the exhaust port with the light I found. So one thing I don't like about this bike are the radiator guards. They're built great and they're really strong. They're very high quality, but the turning angle is not that much because these are in the way. You can thread this bolt in or out to adjust the turning angle of the bike, but I think that these Enduro Engineering radiator braces lessen the angle that the bike can turn. So I was thinking that I could make mount a bracket that would go from here to here and maybe raise upwards, or somehow make so when the bike turns it would actually be able to turn farther. So the guy that had the bike before me took the graphics off. So for Christmas I got some Rocky Mountain ATV MC graphics. I've never installed graphics before, but I think it'll be pretty easy to do. So this might be our next project bike. It's my dad's old 1974 Can-Am 250. It's only got two aftermarket items on the bike. It's got the Fox air shocks, and it has a aftermarket exhaust. Now to wrap up this video, I'm going to clean around the head to prepare it to take it off. Clean up here so when the head is exposed, no dirt or debris fall down into the cylinder. And I think that's about it.